សួស្តីបងប្អូនឥឡូវយើងមានរបស់ថ្មីមកទៀតហើយថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើ unbox ដើម្បីចែកជូនដល់បងប្អូនទស្សនាកម្សាន្តតើរបស់ដែលខ្ញុំមាននៅក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះជាអ្វីបាទឥឡូវយើងបើកកង់មើលទាំងអស់គ្នាបងប្អូនបាទរបស់ទី1នោះគឺស្អីបងប្អូនរបស់ទី1ជាស្អីណាតាមមើលទាំងអស់គ្នាអត់ទាំងអស់គ្នាបងប្អូនឃើញទេនេះជារបស់ទី1ដែលខ្ញុំបើកចេញពីបោកមាញ់ឥឡូវឃើញរូបរាងវាហើយជាអីបងប្អូន JBL បាទ JBL microphone JBL wireless microphone this microphone wireless microphone they say it's good for karaoke or for the talk show or something like that but right, let's see how good they are so we're gonna open the box to see what inside how inside look like okayបងប្អូន stay with me let's see this is my first time my first item I never had one of this before this kind of microphone I know JBL is very good brand but let's see JBL គឺជាឈ្មោះឈ្មោះដ៏ល្អមួយដែលគេតែងតែនិយមប្រើជាពិសេស speaker របស់វាមានតម្លៃថ្លៃហើយមាន sound ពីរោះល្អហើយប៉ុន្តែ microphone ខ្ញុំអត់ទាន់ដឹងទេឥឡូវយើងនឹងពិនិត្យមើលទាំងអស់គ្នាបងប្អូនស្រាប់តែ open បងប្អូន Don't want to come out come on now here they come អូខេតកែវាតាមឡៃសិននៅក្នុងបងប្អូនit's two microphone it's very good kind of a little bit medium weight it's not heavy it's not light but it's very good microphone so they got a power button right here right another one so they're the same identical okay ដូចគ្នា one good thing about this microphone see they have this បងប្អូន so if you lay down on the table like this it's not gonna roll off the table because they have this thing to hold it to block it and it won't roll over so it's gonna stay like that okay and beside that microphone we have a small receiver right here I think this is the receiver but let's see so we got a small receiver right here and this all you have to do is you have to charge it USB charge it right here so when you finish with full charge then you can use this one to plug into either speaker or amplifier or if you have a mixer you can plug into one of your mixer and then program should work for both of this microphone okay so that's all we have right here two microphone I'm gonna put that box away and look like we have we do have the wire for the charger on this one and then also we have AA battery បងប្អូន we have 4 of the AA battery so 2 for each so 2 microphone we use that and then also what we have here is the menu okay so they say this is it's very good microphone so we're gonna working out on that we're gonna test it out in a few minutes but that's all we have in the box so the packet this one I ordered this through Amazon so the packets come out with very good shape it's no damage no nothing as you can see all the box is no dent and no nothing so the packet's very good and it's shipping 3 days so they say it's gonna be delivery in 3 days and it is in 3 days so they delivery on time the delivery is good the packaging is good the product is come in a good shape but we're not sure the quality yet so we're gonna test it out in a few minutes and then we have a receiving receiver and the cable for the charger, and we have 4 AA battery right here. That's it, Bob. This is how we have in the box, or what we have in the box. This is what we have in the box. Sorry. Anyway, វីដេអូថ្ងៃនេះគ្រាន់ចង់ show បងប្អូនពី what we have in the box, and then I'm gonna make another video to test out to see how good it is. Okay, so check out my next video. Then thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe me so I can have I can do more video, okay, something like this. So if you want to see something, just let me know. I go and open packet and to show you. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.